So I may have promised too much than I can deliver, because I realized that if I don't have the voltage regulator in there, there's no connection to the other brush. So I found another alligator lead and I connected it to that terminal in there that's hanging out doing nothing. And so it's clipped. I don't want to pull this out again because it might come off, but that is going to let us connect to the D minus, and so I might be able to show what I'm talking about. And I've got the screws started, so of course remember I've got the little tangs that got to go against each other. I got those brushes. I can imagine a brush being on the side of the copper ring. I'm not sure what's the right thing, but I figure if I rotate this while I'm pushing down, I should get everybody to go where they want to go. And apparently the alligator clip that I put in there is still surviving. And then we got an example of slotted screws where they're inappropriate, but luckily I was able to start them without too much trouble. And that's where if you have something that's slipping sideways, of course, and you're trying to start the screw, that's where the slotted screws really stink. And so that's pushing it into place, nicely tapered holes, and still wants to rotate, and it's rubbing a little bit, but it's only temporary. Alright, so let's see. Remember, we measured the resistance of the rotor coil. It doesn't matter, 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. And we got, what was it, 3 ohms? Yeah. So let's see if it probably is going to show more because the brushes. Wow, yeah, look at that, 3. And it goes down when I spin it. Wonder why. It means, I don't know. Though I realize too is when it's spinning, it should have a higher. Well, have a higher resistance. I know motors do when you spin them. Oh, anyway, so we know that they're making contact. That's what we care about. Now I need to set it up with the power supply, run some leads over here, and I'm going to pause this and get it all hooked up, and then we'll take a look. And again, I'm just demonstrating to you that without the voltage regulator, the output voltage is a function of how fast it's spinning. So hold on.